Hey everyone, it's Laura with Laura's Handmade Haven. Welcome or welcome back. We are going to be doing our Fat Quarter giveaway today. I am going to be drawing one lucky commenter that commented on that Fat Quarter giveaway and happy hour reveal video that we did a few weeks ago. And we had 20 people comment on that video, and one of you is going to be winning that Fat Quarter bundle from Benartex. So we are going to go ahead and get started. So we're going to go ahead and click the start button, and then we're going to find out who our winner is. Tina Roberts 88, you are our winner. Okay, so Tina, let's get in contact and I will find out how to get your Fat Quarter bundle shipped out to you. And I am so excited. I hope that you will join me. I hope everyone behind me on the wall, on the design wall here, can see the first block for the happy hour quilt. So I am recording those videos in advance because obviously I need to make sure I have all those things together because we are starting our quilt sew along on January 1st. January 1st video will be just the January 1st video will go all over the organization and some cutting and the sew along guide that I put together for you guys. It's also going to just give you some heads up on some ways to customize your quilt as we move along. But I hope that you're as excited as I am. I am super excited about this quilt. I cannot wait to share all the lovely cocktail and mocktail recipes with you, and the blocks, of course, and the quilt top, of course. But congratulations again, Tina. Reach out to me and I will be in touch on how to get you that amazing Fat Quarter bundle from Benartex. Thank you so much for commenting. Thank you everyone for commenting. And of course, I cannot leave you without saying, until next time, find joy in all you do. Carve out some time for crafting and creating. And remember, it's always better when you make stuff up.